अजित हरे जय माधव विष्णु अजित हरे जय
Kathakali is associated with storytelling form of art. It is the dance drama from the South Indian state of Kerala. Similar to other Indian classical dance arts, the story in Kathakali is also communicated to audience through excellent footwork and impressive gestures of face and hands complemented with music and vocal performance. However, it can be distinguished from the others through the intricate and vivid makeup, unique face masks, and costumes worn by dancers, as also from their style and movements that reflect the age-old martial arts and athletic conventions prevalent in Kerala and surrounding regions. Traditionally, the name of this dance form was deduced by joining two words, Katha and Kali, where Katha in Sanskrit means a traditional tale or story, and Kali, derived from Kala, refers to art and performance. Presumably, the dance drama art form called Krishnanattam that illustrates legends from the life of Lord Krishna is a precursor of Kathakali. A new form of temple art based on Krishnanattam was made at a later stage and was called as Ramanattam, a story for the dance drama based on the great Indian epic the Ramayana, which was divided into a series of 8 poetic sections so that each of the 8 sections can be performed on a single day. It is broadly considered that Ramanattam that developed under the auspices of Thampuran was the genesis of Kathakali, and that Thampuran refined the former to give the shape to Kathakali, which has over the centuries emerged as a famous classical dance of Kerala. Kathakali performance includes various instruments that encompass 3 major drums, namely Itayaka, Senta, and Madalam. Music plays a significant role in this form of classical art, creating variations of tone settings and corresponding to the mood of a particular scene. These include Champata that is used in different sequences like during combat between good and evil and while concluding a scene. Ananta during scenes consisting of divine and virtuous characters. Muri Ananta during heroic, comic and light-hearted acts. Triputa in scenes involving teachers and sages. Panchari during repugnant scenes, and Champa during scenes portraying clash, argument, tension, and discord between lovers. The makeup code followed in Kathakali conventionally typifies the characters of the acts, categorizing them as gods, goddesses, saints, animals, demons, and demonesses, among others. Kathakali encompass 7 fundamental makeup codes or types, which are Pakka, Minukku, Teppu, Kari, Tatti, Payuppu, and Katti. A character with pakka makeup and brightly red colored lips depicts gods, sages, and noble characters like Shiva, Krishna, Rama, and Arjuna. A Minukku makeup using orange, saffron, or yellow color depicts virtuous female characters like Sita and Panchali. The color code for women and monks is yellow. A divine or virtuous character is represented with a Vela Thadi makeup, having a white beard. Special characters like Jatayu and Garuda are adorned with a Tepu makeup, while Kari, black, is the code for characters like hunters and forest inhabitants. Black is also used for representing diminuses and unreliable characters with distinctive red patches. Evil characters like Ravana bear the Tati red makeup. Headgears and face masks help emphasize the face makeup, which is prepared from colors extracted from vegetables and rice paste. It takes several hours to complete the entire getup of all the character dancers of a play, thus bringing out the personality of each character. Altogether, Kathakali is a blend of dance, music, and acting and dramatizes stories which are mostly adapted from the Indian epics. Kerala is the home of several traditional dance and drama and dance forms, the most notable being Kathakali.